of the electrostatics. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about there are four fundamental interaction. Yeah, you can say the four fundamental forces till now we know in the uh, yeah, universe. And then there are the first interaction is strong interaction, electromagnetic interaction, and weak interaction, and the gravitational interaction. Till now we know these all in the whole universe. These only four forces exist: uh, strong force, electromagnetic force, weak interaction and weak force, and the gravitational force. And strong force is inside the nucleus. Basically, some of the bit of the these particle you may not hear of it, but I am just giving the idea and how much the electromagnetic force that we are going to discuss in the electrostatic chapter. I just compare the with the all the three forces. For this we have generate this video, and then some of the bit of the particle you might not do not mind it, and you can skip it if you are not getting. And then the strong force interaction is inside the nucleus. I give some of the bit of the idea about. Then it is of order of Fermi order. It is nothing but 10 the power minus 15 range. Basically, in how much range the particle will interact. And then, if I take the relative strength it to be 1, then the electromagnetic forces are between the charged particle, and the range it is infinity. And then the relative strength is 1 by 100. Yes, 10 the power minus 2. The exchange particle is responsible for this is known as photon. We will deal with the in the upcoming chapter what are photons. And then they are also providing the role of the in the universe to determine the structure of the atom and the molecule, and solid and liquid is the important factor for the astronomical universe. Basically, how when this force will act, and then at what particle is responsible for the change of it. And then the weak force are the particles affected are the quarks and the leptons. And the range is very less than the nucleus size. Also, nucleus size is almost 10 the power minus 15. It is also less than that also. And then the weak interaction, yeah, weak force, um, the range is very small, you can feel it. And then force is also less than the electrostatic also, and it is 10 the power minus 5. And the intermediate bosons are responsible for the forces. These are nothing but the exchange particle, we simply say that. And you can read some of the bit if you have idea about the quarks, leptons, and what are hadrons, bosons. Yeah, then you can get more idea from it. And then the gravitational force is the weakest force from the all the three above forces. And gravitational force act on the all the particle, and range is infinity, and it is of very less order. It is 10 the power minus 39. And the graviton particle is responsible. Right now we have discovered the graviton. It is, I think, in the 2019 itself. Just check it out. And then it is responsible for the assembling of the matter into the planets, stars, and the galaxies. I hope so. You know bit some of the bit. And then in this video we have discussed some of the relative strength. Just note down the relative strength that is important to us, and how much they are strong and how much they are weaker. Okay, thank you.